Hello guys, and welcome to Top Foreign channel. If you're looking for a way to make money online, then you're watching the right video, as in today's video, I'm going to introduce you a new strategy on how to generate income online the easiest and fastest way. One of the best parts about this method is that you can do this from the comfort of your home or actually anywhere you want. All you need is an internet connection and a device, whether it's your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and you can easily start making money online. Once you are making money with this brand new method, you will be free from your 9-to-5 job. This will afford you to go traveling by doing so dreamed for a long time, and you will also have more time to spend with your family and friends. This strategy is 100% free for everyone around the globe. This also means that you're not required to pay any fees or buy anything. Don't worry about not having any special skills or previous experiences, as those are needed at all. I will be showing you some websites that you're going to use in order to start earning money. You just need to click on a few buttons and create an account. They'll also show how to do exactly, and that's it. After that, you see your money coming in day by day, and if you'd like, you can even turn it into passive income. You can now continue watching the entire video. Make sure not to skip any parts so that you will not miss any important details, as I will also be sharing some bonus tips videos, so that way you could earn even more money. So just keep on watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Top Foreign, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first step you need to take is going to this website, that is 5screen.com. Basically, 5squid is a freelance marketplace where people can trade skills and services. The website hosts a variety of services you can either buy or offer yourself and make a good amount of money of it, and it's also very similar to 5rr.com. You can hire someone on that site for the lowest of £5, and as I mentioned before, you really don't need to have any knowledge or special skills to start making money with this strategy I'm about to show you. When you click on the three lines next to the search bar in here, then you'll be able to see all the categories that are available on this site, and if you want, you can also offer a service with your special skills you have besides the service you will be offering, and I'll be teaching you how to do that. Here are the different categories, as graphic design, programming and tech, music and audio writing and translation, video and animation, and so many more. I would now want you to go to the search bar in here and type in your message here and search it. Then you'll be able to see these members earning £5 over and over again by providing this kind of service. As I promised, you will be able to make money with the easiest and fastest way. Actually, you can earn even more than £5 a day, as there are no limits on how much you can earn in one single day. You have the chance to earn $60, $70 or even $100. It's really up to you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back to the video. You can also start offering the same service here on firesqe.com as others do, but there is only one thing missing here for the offer. That is a picture. Not just a picture, it has to be a dynamic one. It's a picture where you can change some parts of it. If you want to get one like this, you need to go to hightamil.com, and as you can see yourself, there are 3 images available on this site. These are Einstein, Uncle Sam and the Quaker. You can now click on the Einstein chalkboard. It will then take you to this next page where you can see a static image of Albert Einstein, and in here you can edit and change the text that's on the sharpboard. This is a very cool and new feature, as you have the option to change the text into everything the customer wants. For example, I just type in something like this, "Welcome to my channel," and then click on change image. After that, you'll see how the text on the sharpboard changes to the one I just wrote. You can simply add anything to here that the buyer requests, and once you're done with the editing and you think the image is ready, then you can save the picture to a device, whether it's a computer or a smartphone, or if you'd like, you can even do a screenshot of it. Then you can just return the FireSquid and send it to our customer and get paid for doing that. Once you are getting customers, then they'll also leave a review, which will lead to a higher rating and getting a lot of buyers and much more money. But in order to start offering your service, you first need to upgrade yourself a free account at findsquid.com. To do that, just click on this button here that says join and sign up using your email address, Facebook, Google or Twitter account, and once you have signed in, you can start offering a service and making £5 again and again. Again, if you want to double or even triple your earnings, listen up. I have a bonus tip to share with you. You can also go to this website, that is 5rr.com. This is a freelance marketplace where you can also start offering a service as a custom message on a dynamic image. This is how easily you can start making money online. But that's it. This is Top 4 Earn. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.